안녕하세요. Hello, okay friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Chung. It's so great to see you again. There are so many pancake cuisines in Korean food. Recently, one of my Facebook friends asked me how to make a Korean vegetable pancake. Regardless of season, Koreans love to eat different pancake cuisines. To enhance the flavor, I want to add shrimp to the vegetable pancake. It's called the vegetable shrimp pancake, 야채새우전. You can get all the ingredients easily at your local grocery store. Then let's make a vegetable shrimp pancake. Step 1. Cutting ingredients. Chop the green onions thinly. Slice the zucchini thinly. I'm not gonna use the inside part of the zucchini. Julienne it. Cut it into appropriate sizes. Slice the red bell pepper thinly and cut it into small pieces. If you don't have red bell peppers, you can add carrots. You can use vegetables that you like or ingredients in the refrigerator. Slice the shrimp into small pieces. Chop it appropriately. If you chop it, it cooks quickly. Step 2. Making batter. Put all the ingredients in a bowl. Add 4 tablespoons of cornstarch powder. Mix the ingredients well. When the starchy powder is coated on the vegetables and shrimp, the ingredients do not fall off when making pancake and stick well together. Add 3 eggs. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Add a bit of ground pepper. Mix well. Step 3. Making pancake. Add a generous amount of oil to the preheated pan. This frying pan is for frying eggs, but it's pretty if you use it for pancakes. If you don't have a frying pan like this, just use a general pan and use a spoon to shape it in a circle. Place the heat over medium-high and cook slowly until it is cooked well inside. If you place the heat over high, the pancake may burn quickly and the inside may not cook well. When the color turns golden brown, turn it upside down once. When both sides are cooked golden brown, place them in a plate. Looks so delicious. My mouth is watering. Fry the rest of the ingredients in the same way. Vegetable shrimp pancake is being fried so deliciously. Simple and delicious vegetable shrimp pancake is done. Wow, looks gorgeous. Let me bite. The texture of the chewing is so good. Let me have another bite. The combination of vegetable and shrimp goes so well. Hope you give it a try. Super delicious. If you have any preferred vegetables in your mind, just try to add it in the vegetable shrimp pancake. If you are a vegetarian, obviously you can cook this pancake without shrimp. Then it will be simply vegetable pancake. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you think the program was useful, please push the like and subscription button. I will be back with a better episode next time. Until then, stay well and take care of yourselves. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.